Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, you have to open the settings at the first. Next, you have to go for the sound and the vibration. And in this place, at the first, we can find the volume level of the ringtone, notification, alarm and the media. We can adjust them by moving these dots to the right or the left side, but to increase or decrease volume level. Take a look. Below we can also find the call volume. And in this place we can find additional modes like the outdoor mode, complete mute. So we can just, enable them by tapping on the switcher. Of course, under these modes, under the name of each mode, you will find the description of this feature. Here we got the volume sync for the ringtone notification and media, and we can also turn it off. Here we can find the smart ringtone. We can enable right here, and it just adjusts the sound volume based on the background noises. We can enable for incoming calls and internet calling calls. Honestly, I want to turn it off. Here we can adjust volume button function, so we can control media or ringtone. You can decide. Honestly, I'm going to control media. Here we got the media player, so we can, for example, hide the player when the media session has ended. In this place we can find the do not disturb mode. We can customize this option and then turn it on. And also we got shortcut to prevent ringing, so we can turn it on, turn it off, and then choose vibrate or mute. In this place we can find other options. There's the phone ringtone that we can change, currently set up on the music box, but you can change for any other. The same for the sim second, as you can see. Here we can find the alarm sound. We can find also the notification sound. And here we got the flip camera sound. So here you can hear the preview of it. And here we can find dial pad tone, screen locking sound, charging and the touch sounds, and we can enable and disable them by tapping on the switcher. In this place we can also find the vibration options, so we can get never vibrate, always, or vibrate first then ring gradually. Here we can also find the touch vibration, so we can enable and disable by tapping on the switcher. And below we can find vibration intensity for the incoming call, notifications and the touch feedback, and it works the same like on the volume level of the media and calls. We can increase and decrease by moving these dots on the left or the right. So as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.